Good day everyone. So today you will see my Picha Kucha presentation topic. This is me now. This is activity 1.2 in purposive communication to be submitted to Ma'am Leslie Malakad Kuya, my instructor in purposive communication. Hello, okay, let's get started. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. Again, hi, my name is Stilito Brito Jr., 20 years old. I was born on November 12, 2004. I live in Cambalijo, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Okay, let me take you through my journey of roots, resilience, and rising. Okay, let's start. Barangay Cambalijo, where the earth meets the sky. A humble barangay where hard work is a way of life. This village shaped my values, my grit, and my dreams. I am the second son of Mr. Estelito R. Brito and Mrs. Noemi A. Brito. My mother left when I was 3, but my father and my older brother Noelito became my pillar. Growing up without a mother was like a puzzle, missing a pieces. But my father taught me, ang pamilya ay hindi lang dugo. Ito ay pagmamahal at pagtutulungan. My kuya, Noelito, filled the gaps. He became my protector, my teacher, my first friend. Together, we learned to turn pain into purpose. Dilancha Elementary School, where I learned to read, write, and dreams. Sometimes I get bullied by other high grade. High school was my awakening. Don Pedro H. Blanco Memorial High School taught me discipline, friendship, and the courage to speak up. Here, I found my voice. My classmate became my second family. We crammed for tests, shared baon, and promised to rise together. Walang iwanan, we say. Why si Biswa? Because it's affordable, close to home, and respected. But deeper than that, it's my bridge to a future of my family never had. College is a storm, late night, tight budget, and self-doubt. But I whisper, hindi ako bibigay para sa pangarap at lalo na para kay tatay. I juggled classes and course. Sleep is rare, but Papa's sacrifice reminds me. Ang hirap ngayon ay ginhawa bukas. My college barkadas, they're my lights. We share jokes and dreams of a better future. Together, we're stoppable. Losing mother taught me life isn't about what's taken, it's about what you build from the pieces left behind. My father is a farmer, never complains. His blister hands and silent prayers fuel my fire. His pride is my greatest reward. I play chess to unwind. Every move reminds me life is about strategize, adapting, and finding new paths. Kimberly May Belen, my loved ones for 2 years and 1 month and counting. She's not just cheering from the sidelines, she's in the trenches with me. And her quiet, kaya mo yan love? Text is remind me the best victories in the one we chase together. To Papa, Kuya, girlfriend, teachers, and friends, maraming salamat. You are my lakas and liwanag. I carry you with me. This is me now, a son, a brother, a student, a dreamer, a scar and all. I rise for my family and my future. That's all. Thank you.